Forgot I was documenting this. I'm gonna make this hat look pretty. This hat. This plain little hat. I've already got a little headpiece in here. So what I'm gonna do, decorate some leaves. I forgot to do the beginning of this, but starts off like a normal leaf, and then I spray paint them gold. Then I use glue to put a layer of fine glitter on, let that dry, and then do that again but with a coarser glitter. And then once that's dry, give it a nice spray with some clear spray paint. And then I start sequin process. So I've used a few different types because I'm gonna layer them together, which will then wrap around the hat. So I'll do something fancy, but it's gonna be both sides. I'm gonna turn it into like a mystical, you know, there's gonna be some feathers along the way. So I'm gonna keep going with the sequins. I'll speed this up. I use this glue, this hot glue gun. As you can see, it's been through a bit with me. Every time I wipe it off, I get a new layer of sequins, and I like it. Oh, it's a button. I also have this to push down sequins and my trusty pinky nail. I'm a hairdresser, so I also don't wear gloves, so that's what that's about. So let's get crack-a-lackin'. Well, I sequin away. I'm not watching what's happening in the camera, so I'll just try to keep in mind that if you are watching this, you want to see what I'm doing. So I'm just doing these bigger sequins until I get to the purpley glitter, and then I'm going to switch to the smaller purpley ones for the tips. Usually I will transition color. I just like to do it. But because these are so little and they're gonna be hidden by this. I didn't think I needed to do that. So think about what your layering is going to look like, because I'm also going to put, I'll show you later, obviously, a layer of feathers behind each one. So I don't know whether I've got all these ostrich feathers. I don't know if that works. But I've also got some, like, this is from something I was going to use for this hat, but it just didn't go because I made it ages ago. I think it's just going to go on a headband, but just so you can get an idea, turns into something like that. So I've got more of these feathers. I might use it because I think the colours look good. So I'm going to layer that up and yeah, think about layers, because the back pieces you might not need to put as much detail down the bottom. Like this one, probably not even going to see that very much, where that one and the tips of these ones are the ones that we're probably going to see the most. So keep that in mind, because yeah, there's no need for me to decorate the stem. So I'm just going to do the outer edges of this leaf. This hat I'm decorating for my boyfriend's mom. We're having a Mad Hatter high tea. My boyfriend will not be caught on camera. He will hate that I'm even talking about him right now. I only am because he has gone to get food. So once he's back, I'll probably have to keep it down because he'll want to watch TV. So I'll probably just film when he gets back. But until then, this is my first video. I'm gonna try to ask all those questions, say all those phrases, like leave your comments down below. Maybe I'll do this in a series because I got bored of doing this and I need a creative break, but then I still want something to do. So I'm probably just gonna do step by step from now on and just edit as I go. This channel's really just for me as a little project timeline thing. See how I've progressed as a crafty fella. That's the dogs. I'm gonna see what that's about, and I'll see you later. I'll probably just be sequencing when I get back because old mate's back and he'll have the TV blaring and you won't hear a thing I'm saying. So catch ya.